Cutting methane emissions acts like a climate emergency brake. We slow down global warming right now and buy the world time to transition to clean energy.
With the methane, it's, well, you can call it no-brainer, right? Whatever you reduce, you avoid as an emission. We used all the technology that was available to us. We used satellite imagery, we used sensors that are specifically designed to identify methane emissions, drone flyovers, international experts to do ground measurements.
Mars, the Methane Alert and Response System, uses satellite data to find the biggest emitters, and then it alerts governments and countries so they can stop them. Responding to these methane alerts is the first step towards mitigation.
SOCAR has set several ambitious targets when it comes to decarbonization. We're aiming to get to near zero methane by 2035.